Why not save money? You don't need to spend a lot. I'm going to show you how. I'm Debbie. If you're new to the channel, hello. Scrubbies can get really yucky. Jute is an amazing pot scrubber, and all you have to do is just roll it up into a bowl. Cut your piece of twine. You can tie it together. Voila, you have a really inexpensive scrubby. You can, don't do it like me. Scrunch it all up, scrub your pots with it. You can buy a big roll for very inexpensive. Do you know how many scrubbies you're gonna get out of this? When you're done, you throw it into the compost because one day it will become dirt. Can't do that with your plastic scrubby, can ya? There's so many shopping carts out there these days that help you to save money too. All of a sudden you go to the grocery store and they're like, oh, would you like to redeem your points for $10 off? Heck yeah, give it to me, baby. Utilize all of the different things. You can find coupons in magazines, online. There are a lot of different sources. You know what? When you use dishwashing liquid to wash your glasses, it removes all of the germs, it makes them shiny clean, and it's going to do the same thing to your windows. Squirt some into a bucket of hot water, wash your windows, take a squeegee and a soft cloth, and voila. Ivory is my favorite, and you can watch a lot of my videos and it'll show you all the wonderful things that you can do with Ivory to keep your home nice and sparkly clean. Probably less than $3 for a bottle. Some areas even less. Look for the deals. Wash your clothes and put them outside. Put them outside. Look at it. If it's a nice sunny day, put them outside because you can save a lot of money on your electricity bill. If you have really cold weather, like we do, I live in Canada, then just use a little rack of some sort. Put them in the house beside your heat registers, electric fireplace, wood stove, whatever you got. That will dry your clothes indoors just as well. I do it, and you know what? They smell really nice. I think that it's a great way to save some money on your electricity bill because your dryer uses a lot of electricity. I tried something the other day. You see people doing this all the time online. A lemon. I used a lemon the other day because look at this one. It's hurting. I'm not going to use this lemon for anything else. So I tried just cutting it in half. I used it on my stainless steel sink. And you know what? It worked really great. Rather than throwing this away, use it up. Lemons are expensive. You don't want to waste them. I don't buy microfiber cloths or special cloths for my cleaning at all. I say this in a lot of my videos, but an old ripped up sheet. I just ripped it up and made it into whatever size squares I wanted to. I like the white ones because they're nice and bleachable. I use it for glass, especially these old sheets. It works fantastic. Another thing is old receiving blankets from babies. They are so good at absorbing moisture. If you're finished with a sheet, if it's got a hole in it, use it. Pick up yourself some Dr. Bronner's because it's a great all-purpose cleaner, and I'm not sponsored or anything. I'm just showing you the things that I used as a pro house cleaner for over 35 plus years, and the things that my clients loved. The smell of this makes everybody a happy camper. It doesn't smell harsh. It's beautiful. This is lavender scented. It's pure Castile soap. It is vegan. It's got all kinds of great qualities, organic. You can get it at health food stores, department stores, online. My videos have a ton of different uses for this. So just check out some of my other videos and you'll see how to use it and what you can use it on. There's hundreds and hundreds of uses. I love this. I love it, love it, love it. Highly concentrated. Worth every penny. $15.95 for this little bottle, but in your area or online perhaps it's cheaper. It's a good investment. You don't need a special cleaner for the tub, a special cleaner for the shower, a special cleaner for the windows, a special cleaner for you don't need a lot of special cleaners. I don't know, there's a lot out there. Like you could spend like hundreds of dollars just on these special cleaners that they have. I save a lot of money by just buying things that are very multi-purpose and all around great cleaners. Could you please give me a thumbs up? Like, share, subscribe. I know you got friends that want to clean and save a buck. Happy cleaning to you. Ivory contains biodegradable succulents, something, some sort of sucks. Oh dear.
Surfactants.
Surfactants. Jute twine, you can roll it all up. You roll it into a bowl. I use it on so many different things. My Cloudy, get out of there. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm done. I don't know. Ciao for now.